Hello and Assalamu alaikum. I am Maryam Shoaib, Headmistress Trafalgar Campus. I am proud member of the Millennium Education and have been associated with it for the past 14 years. Trafalgar Campus is a legacy which has been empowering, nurturing and shaping future for about 40 years. A campus which is known as hub of academic excellence, we believe in promoting a supportive learning environment that emphasizes student-led learning and holistic development. We cater for diverse cultures and nationalities that ensure inclusive and conducive learning environment aligned with global standards. We look forward to welcoming new and existing families into our learning community to build future with passion and purpose. For admission, do visit us from Monday to Saturday from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m.